Exercise 24A, question number 7. In the given figure, AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. And as you know, that I have explained you in my introduction videos that if you are having a straight line, that means the angle, the alphabet which is in middle position will be equals to 180 degree. So whenever you are having a straight line means what? A straight angle should be there and that sums up to 180 degree. स्ट्रेट लाइन में एक एंगल जो आपका होता है वो 180 डिग्री का होता है, जो मिडिल वैल्यू होती है उसी पे 180 डिग्री बनता है. तो यहाँ पे ये 180 डिग्री कंस्ट्रक्टेड, दैट मीन्स 180 डिग्री इज देयर एट AOC. Then some angles are given to us, just like AOB is 50 degree, so this is your AOB, right? 50 degree. Then AOE is 90. This symbol AOE, this symbol indicates the value of this angle is 90 degree. Then COD is 25. COD, this one is 25. Now we have to find angle BOC. Angle BOC, that means this angle we have to find. So AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line, and in AOC middle alphabet is O, that means there will be a 180 degree angle, straight angle at O. So how we can represent this? Simply AOB, AOB, that means this angle, plus BOC, that means this angle, equals to 180 degree. Now in angle AOB and angle BOC, angle AOB is given to you 50 degree, so write 50 degree plus angle BOC will be as it is BOC, that we have to find, equals to 180. So angle BOC equals to, transpose this 50 to the right hand side, so 180 minus 50 degree. So angle BOC equals to what? 130 degree. Clear? Then next is angle EOD. Angle EOD. So as you can see, we are having here EOD. That means this angle we have to calculate. So यहाँ पे ये AOC जो है एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है और किसी भी पॉइंट के अबाउट जो एंगल होता है वो 360 होता है. तो ये अगर एंगल 180 डिग्री है तो नीचे ये एंगल भी कितना बनेगा? 180, और ये टोटल कितना बन गया? 180 180 360. क्लियर? सो दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो 180 डिग्री. तो ये 180 डिग्री किससे किससे मिलके बन रहा है? ये बन रहा है AOE, साइक्लिक चलना है हमको, ठीक है, कंटिन्यू. AOE, EOD. AOE में आपका ये एंगल आएगा, EOD में आपका ये एंगल आएगा, प्लस DOC, this angle, equals to 180 degree. Now AOE is given to you 90, so write 90 plus EOD, that we have to find, so we will write as it is EOD, plus DOC 25 है तो 25 equals to 180. So 90 plus 25, 115. So 115 plus angle EOD equals to 180. Transpose this 115 to the right hand side. So angle EOD equals to 180 minus 115. So angle EOD finally 65 degree. So we got this angle as 65 degree. Clear? Then next angle that we have to find, obtuse angle BOD. Obtuse angle BOD. So as you can see, BOD, that means from B to this D we have to find. And as you can see, this BOD is having two angles, that one is 130 and the second is 25. यहाँ पे BOD फाइंड करना है, और ये जो BOD है ये दो एंगल से मिलके बन रहा है. किससे किससे मिलके बन रहा है? BOC प्लस COD इक्वल्स टू, सॉरी, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. तो यहाँ पे हमको फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? हमको फाइंड आउट करना है एंगल BOD. तो एंगल BOD जो है वो किसके इक्वल होगा? एंगल BOD विल बी इक्वल्स टू एंगल BOC प्लस COD. So angle BOD equals to how much? This is 130 and this is 25. So 130 and 25. 130 and 25 will give you 155. So this is the value of obtuse angle BOD, 155. Next is reflex angle BOD. Now reflex angle BOD, that means, now tell simply I want to explain you about reflex angle. Suppose you are having two lines here that are intersecting each other, and this is your point. And as you know, in the last video I taught you that angle about a point equals to 360 degree. This total complete angle is equals to 360 degree. Clear? But what if we are having like this, only this? This is your total 360, but we are having like this, and we want to know what is the value of this portion, this angle. So simply this is your reflex angle. Clear? So reflex angle BOD that we have to find. So as you know, total sum of this all angles about point O is 360. Clear? And BOD that already we have calculated, which is 155. So simply we will subtract this value from 360. This angle we will subtract from this total angle. So what we will have later? Simply we will have values like this, from this to this. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल निकालने के लिए उसको 360 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है. तो रिफ्लेक्स BOD इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा? 360 माइनस जो BOD एंगल आता है उसी को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखिए BOD 130 और 25 कितना हो गया? 155 ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड है. 205 डिग्री रिफ्लेक्स BOD. लास्ट रिफ्लेक्स COE. So this is COE. 25 and 65 that you have to add. So 25 and 65 will give you 90, and you will subtract 360. Sorry, you will subtract 90 from 360 to 70. So this is your required answer. Next, question number 8. This is the required diagram of question number 8. This is your point, and as you know, एंगल अबाउट दिस पॉइंट इज इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो ये आपका एक पॉइंट है, इसमें ये पूरा जो सम है आपका ये कितना है? 360 डिग्री है. अब इसमें आपको ये दिया हुआ है A है, और यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये दिया हुआ है B है. क्वेश्चन में आपको बताया है कि जो A है वो 130 डिग्री है, तब आपको B फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सिंपली देखिए, ये टोटल एंगल जो है, ये टोटल कितना बन रहा है? 360 का बन रहा है. तो आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? A प्लस B इक्वल्स टू 360. वैल्यू ऑफ A 130 प्लस B इक्वल्स टू 360. ट्रांसपोज दिस 130 टू द राइट हैंड साइड. सो B इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 360 minus 130. So finally B equals to 230 degree. Clear? Then next, second condition, we are having that value of B is 200 degree. Find A. So again same question, this total angle is 360 degree. This total angle is 360 degree and we are having B, that we have to find A. So A plus B equals to 360. Put value of B, simply you will get A. So solve this one. Then next one is, if A equals to 5 by 3 of a right angle, then find B. So first of all, 5 by 3 of means into a right angle. Right angle equals to 90 degree. So 90. 3 1 ja, 3 30 ja. Then 30 into 5, 150. So you got A equals to 150. And as you know, angle A and angle B, this total will give you 360. So A plus B equals to 360. Value of A 150 plus B equals to 360. Value of B equals to 360 minus 150. So finally 210 degrees your required answer. Question number 9 you can solve, that is similar to question number 6. Then question number 10 and 11 both are same. I am solving here 11. So in question number 11, simply again we are having a straight angle. PQR is a straight line, and in PQR, Q is a straight angle 180 degree right here. Clear? So as you can see, this 180 degree, we are having three angles: angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3. Clear? So the first one angle is angle PQA plus angle AQB plus angle BQR. Like this you can write. Clear? So equals to (180 degree). Now angle PQA is x plus 20, so write x plus 20. Then second is 2x plus 10, so 2x plus 10. Third is x minus 10 equals to 180. Now this minus 10 and plus 10 0, only 20 is there, so transpose 20 to the right hand side. So x plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus x, 4x equals to 180 minus 20. So 4x equals to 160, x equals to 160 by 4, and x equals to 40 degree. So now angles that we have to find. So first x plus 20, and as you know we got x as a 40 degree. So this x plus 20 means 40 plus 20, so that is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Then 2x plus 10, 2x plus 10, this 2x means what? 2 into x, and as you know value of x is 40, so 2 into 40 plus 10, 40 to 80, 80 plus 10, 90. So this angle is 90 degree. Then this x minus 10 means 40 minus 10, so 30 degree. Clear? Now AQB, so AQB is here, which is 90 degree, so write 90 degree. BQP, so in BQP, this two angle, so 90 plus 60, that is 150, so write 150. How you can calculate BQP? Simply BQP is equals to BQA plus AQP. BQA 90 degree and AQP 60 degree. So finally 150 degree. Then AQR same like this from this to this, ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट करना है. AQR में क्या आ जाएगा, एक ये एंगल आएगा और एक ये एंगल. तो AQR में आएगा AQB प्लस BQR. So AQB is 90 degree and BQR is 30 degree. So total 120 degree. So this is your required answer. Question number 12. In question number 12, simply we are having two lines which are intersecting each other, and this is A, B, C, D. AB and CD, these two lines are intersecting each other at point O. So this angle is 68 degree. This is your point O. This angle you have to find. This angle also we have to find, and this also. So first of all, angle AOC will be equals to angle DOB because vertically opposite angle. So if angle AOC equals to 68, that means angle DOB is also 68. The reason is vertically opposite angle. Now as you can see, AOB is a straight line, and at O you are having this 180 degree. So angle AOC plus COB equals to 180 degree. So AOC is 68, so write 68 plus COB that you have to find, so equals to 180. Transpose 68 to the right hand side. So COB equals to 180 minus 68. So angle COB equals to 112 degree. If COB is 112 degree, that means this angle is also 112 because that is vertically opposite angle. So right angle AOD equals to 112. Reason is vertically opposite angle. So last question 13 that you have to solve. Your exercise 24A is over now.